Dear Jenna, we truly found love in a hopeless place. Both of us had to be forced to a party by our friends. I was alone watching a bet and not caring about anything until I heard, "Hey, do you like whiskey?" That question turned into a conversation about our lives together. That plan of our lives included fun, food, getting married, and while I can't remember what else, holy shit, it came true.
These days are running slow. Sunsets and shores far from home.
I know it sounds cliche, but she has a heart of gold. She is the most selfless person I know. I've seen you grow from this cute little thing, little redheaded girl, to this beautiful young woman sitting beside me.
But I'll never find this anywhere else.
I love you all. Let's do it.
For those of you who just kind of know Sean on the side, he has a lot of nicknames. Fat Boy, Sleaze, Mayonnaise. I think we were called Mayonnaise at some point, yeah. Jenna brings out the best in Sean. I think they bring out the best in each other because they do everything. Jesus Christ, what do you guys do? So you do bar crawls, which isn't new, but you guys do cooking classes, marathons. Somebody named Fat Boy doesn't do a marathon unless they met a woman, so that was appreciated.
But I'll never find this anywhere else.
Enjoy and have fun. I love you.
Try to just follow the sweat, but I'll never find this.
Oh, so beautiful. I'm so happy I can give you a day. I love you. I love you too. You look amazing. Step back. Wow, you look amazing. You ready?
I guess.
We got it.
We got it.
Okay.
I never thought it would be possible to find someone who was my best friend, other half, and husband, all in one. But now that I found you, I don't know how I ever did life without you. We have so much to look forward to, and this is only the beginning, so please take it easy on the old fashions.
In closing, you're my everything, my world, my home. Now don't ruin your makeup, have a drink, and get ready for a kiss. I love you so much.
I hear the west winds calling out my name. They telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon.
You look beautiful.
I was looking to the
I love you. Oh yeah.
He's crying! He cried!
Damn it. I bet the other one.
You look very nice.
You look beautiful.
Do you like it?
I love it.
You like the dress?
Yeah, and your green eyes are showing.
Should we twirl?
Listen, you want to do a twirl?
Yeah.
Whee!
All right, what now? We
I
ready?
don't know. I think we're ready.
Okay,
Let's do this.
let's do it.
You ready?
Yeah. Stop.
I'm thrilled for the life that you are creating together and for the marriage which begins right now. You have discovered each other and made the first conscious decision of commitment, and today begins the first day of the rest of your shared life.
that you will be there when the rains are gone. Like a light in the night, you will always be my home.
So, Jen and Sean, the guests gathered here today are here to celebrate the beginning of your journey together in marriage. The laughs that you share at the bar with friends, the pictures of meals that you make in your apartment that make most of us jealous, not me, 'cause I'm still a better cook. These are the things that the world is privy to about your relationship. However, the most important aspect of your bond is what the world does not see. The stresses that work and life can bring, the fatigue after a long, trying day, or the times in which you might not be each other's biggest fan. For instance, Sean snoring. I love Jenna. I've lived in a room next to him. It's horrible. You do so well. Thank you. It's these private moments that truly define your relationship and your love, because it is a soulmate that will be there for you when you feel alone, to build you up when you doubt yourself, or to be the calming voice that alleviates your stress. So, when we look at both of you, we see that you are each other's soulmate.
I, Sean,
Take you, Jenna, to be my wife.
take you, Jenna, to be my wife.
I promise to always help with your awesome charcuterie boards.
I promise to always help with your awesome charcuterie boards.
I promise to always be there for you
I promise to always be there for you
and support you in all of your endeavors.
and support you in all of your endeavors.
I, Jenna,
Take you, Sean,
take you, Sean,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
I promise to help you find chicky nuggies after a night out.
I promise to have you find chicken nuggets after a night out.
And I promise to always be there for you
And I promise to always be there for you
and support you
and support you
in all of your endeavors.
in all of your endeavors.
I'm happy to now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Can we leave now?
One of the first times you guys came to my house, we had a Frank Sinatra song playing in the background, and you guys did a little dance in front of us, and I saw how comfortable and confident you were together, and you're still showing that to us today.
In marriage, there will be many dances, all different styles and all different tempos. Continue to handle each dance and each step, just like you handled with your first, with grace, laughter, and with love. Support each other along the way, have fun, and fall more and more in love with one another with every spin, lift, dip, and kiss.
And with that being said, everybody, I ask that you raise your glasses. Here's to the new couple, taking calculated risks, but keeping it spicy. Up top, around the head. You guys know the rest. Call it a day.
Jenna wants me to say something. It's tradition. So don't get mad. Drink up!